Yo, mobile gamers! Welcome back to the channel. Looking for a fast and easy way to boost your favorite games or apps? You're in the right spot. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my weekly drops, tips, tricks, and hacks that actually work. Today, I'm showing you a super quick way to grab unlimited gems in pizzeria, no PC and no rooting or jailbreaking. Works like a charm on both iOS and Android. Let's jump in. First up, check that pizzeria is running the latest version. Keeping things up to date helps avoid bugs and make sure the method runs smooth. All done? Sweet. Let's move on. Next, open up your browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you use, and head to the site I mentioned in this video. Search for Pizza, Ready Unlimited Gems hack and tap it when it shows up. That'll take you straight to the tool we're using. Super easy. On the tool's homepage, look for an inject button. Tap it, and the tool will begin syncing with your account. It only takes a few seconds. Just let it do its thing. Almost done. Before the resources drop into your account, you'll need to complete a quick verification step. Usually that's just downloading a free app and keeping it open for a minute or two. Need help? Most sites include a walkthrough or guide to make it super simple. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now, reopen pizzeria and check your gems balance. If you follow the steps, your new resources should be sitting there, waiting for you. I tested it earlier and it worked perfectly. No issues at all. And that's a wrap, quick, easy, and totally worth it. If this helped you out, hit that like, share it with your crew, and don't forget to subscribe with the bell so you're first to catch the next guide. Got stuck or have questions? Drop them in the comments. I check them often and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the boost, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.